Okay, we're going to be looking at the development drawing of this this hopper over here. You'll see over here, what have I got? I have colored in these lines that are all the same length as each other. Okay, these red lines over here are not true lengths. Okay, the reason being is that neither this line or that line are parallel to the XY axis, and you'll see that over here they are not parallel to the XY axis either. So lines that are not parallel to the XY axis are not true lengths. Lines that are parallel to the XY axis over here means that I've got a true length over here. Parallel, true length over there. Point view, true length over there. Point view, true length over there. I've got parallel lines over here, AB. Therefore, AB over here is going to be a true length. BC is going to be a true length because it's parallel, etc. These lines over here are all parallel up there. Therefore, I've got true lengths over here. Once I know that, I need to try and figure out what the true length is for one of these segments of line over here. How do I do that? Well, I come along here and I say, what is the length? Let me just use this. What is the length over here for 1 to A in my top view? I'm going to draw a graph over here where I'm going to take this true height over here and I'm going to transfer it over there. So I've got the true height from the base to the top. That's that orange line. There's the orange line. I take this length over here from the top view. I place it on my graph over there. I mark it off. And, well, if that was 1A, I can mark off 1A over there. And I will have a true length drawn over here. That length over there, 1A, is going to be a true length. If I've got that true length, I can come across here to my development drawing. They would have given you a length of line over here, or a starting point, and you can mark off that true length over there on that line. There is A over there, there is 1 over there. Right, you'll note that I've got 1 to 2. There's 1 and 2 is point view, therefore I've got a true length distance going from 1 to 2 over here. Okay, I can draw an arc from 1 to 2, that's easy enough. Okay, but before I do that, I need to find out where B is. Okay, so do I have a true length distance from A to B? Definitely I do. There's a true length distance in my top view. Go to point A over there, and mark off a little arc, and somewhere along there I'm going to have B. Do I have a true length distance going from 1 to B? Well, that's not a true length distance. 1 to B over here is not a true length distance, but I know that I've got a true length distance on this graph over here of 1B. 1B, I go to point 1 over there, and I, mark off an arc over there. Let's just go back to AB, and just extend that arc that I had over here. There it is, going round, and that over there will be B. So true length from 1 to A, true length from 1 to B, giving me that arc, true length from A to B, giving me that arc over there, and I can mark off B. Once I've got that, I can draw in that little triangle, and we can continue to try and find point number 2. Right, point number 2, as I said, I've got the true length distance over there. Go to 1, and I did that arc over there. Somewhere along that arc, I'll have point 2. Do I have a true length distance from B going to 2? Not in this view, not in that view, but on this graph I do. B2, take it over there, and that would be 2 over there. And draw in that line from B to 2, and from 1 to 2. Right, do I have a true length distance from B to C? Definitely I do in my top view. It's parallel over there, therefore true length over there, B to C. Draw a nice little arc over there, don't be shy with those. Do I have a true length distance from 2 to C? Don't have it here, don't have it there, do have it over here. 2 to C, go to 2, mark off, where C is. Draw in B to C. Draw in 2 to C. Right, now that I've got C, I can find where 3 is. I've got a true length distance from 2 to 3. I can draw in an arc over there, going from 2 to 3. Do I have a true length distance from C to 3? Not in this view, not in that view, but on this view over here of the graph. C to where 3 is. Draw in a line from 2 to where 3 is, and from where C to where 3 is. Right, let's do, what do I need now? I need to go from C to D. C to D, got a true length distance over there. C to D, a nice little arc over there. Do I have a true length distance from 3 to C? 3 to C, I'm going to get that off the true length graph over here. 3 to C, go from 3 to D at least. D, there's D. Going to have to draw in a line from 3 to D and from C to D. Okay, once I've got that, I need to go from D to A. D to A. 3 to 4, that's the next one that I need to do. 3 to 4, that's that true length distance over there. Go over here, draw in that arc. Do I have a true length of D to 4? Get that off my graph over here. Go to D, mark off 4 over there. Draw in 3 to 4. Draw in D to 4. Right, once I know that, I need to go from D to A. D to A is a true length over there. Mark off D to A over here. And I need a true length distance from 4 to A. 4 to A, I'll get off this graph over here. 4 to A, there's 4 to A. Let's mark off A. Let's draw in 4 to A. There we go. And D to A. Right, once I've got that, I need to go from A to 1. Do I have a true length distance from A to 1? On this I do, definitely. A to 1. Okay, from A to 1. Note, A to 1 over there. I need to go from 4 to 1. 4 to 1 over there. Sorry, let's just do A1 again. I just want to check that. A to 1, A to 1 over there. That's correct. 4 to 1. Take that measurement over there. 4 to 1. Measure that off. And mark off 1. Right, there we go. 4 to 1. If I fold this up, I'll end up with that line 1A and 1A joining. Make sure that you've got all the sides. Let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, which means that I haven't missed anything. Right, that is how you do the development drawing.